So if you're watching this, you're maybe in a situation where you're wanting to mirror your iPhone or your iMac or your iPad to your Samsung TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So one of the great things that Samsung has offered in their newer TVs, and this one right here is the 43-inch 6 series, is that they have Apple AirPlay built into the TV so that you can mirror whatever's on your phone on the TV or whatever's on your iMac or your iPad on the TV. So maybe it's giving you a bigger real estate to watch whatever it is that you're wanting to watch. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit the home button here, and then that brings up that menu that comes up on the bottom of your screen right there. And then on the, as you can see, I've got all these icons on the bottom, but you're going to want to go all the way over to where settings is right there, the second tab over. Now, you're not going to want to click up like that. You're going to want to stay on the settings tab. That's a little secret that I didn't really know until I started playing around with it, because I would always want to go to settings and then go up and then find a menu here. But you just go to the settings tab and then you hit the enter button right here. So once you hit that, this box pops up, and then you go down to general. Ooh, I went down one too many. Right there to general, you click over, and then right there you'll see where it says Apple AirPlay settings, and then you'll click there. It brings up this new menu. You want to make sure that AirPlay is on, and then require code on the first time only, so that way you're not having to punch in a code every time that you want to do it. But this is where you would punch in to get your Apple AirPlay working so that your smartphone will sync up on your Samsung TV. This is the phone, so you'll tap, and you're going to want to go to this top right corner here and swipe down, and it brings up your Apple menu here, and then as you can see right there is screen mirroring. So you'll tap on that, and depending on your Wi-Fi network, you got to make sure your TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, it brought up both of my Samsung TVs that are in my house. So I would want to tap onto the 6 series to mirror my phone to the TV. Now this particular feature may not work on every Samsung TV, so follow the steps that I did there to find out if your TV is compatible to do this. Well, I hope this little video was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure you throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. So until then, be creative.